In today's health-conscious world, understanding the significance of reducing carbohydrates and sugars is crucial for effective weight loss and overall well-being. Lowering these elements can lead to improved energy levels, better metabolic function, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. By replacing junk food with nutrient-dense alternatives, individuals can nourish their bodies while still enjoying delicious meals. This shift not only supports weight management, but also enhances mental clarity and mood. In this discussion, we will explore the top 12 healthy foods that are both carb-free and sugar-free, providing you with practical options to incorporate into your diet. These choices will empower you to make healthier decisions and achieve your weight loss goals without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Excessive intake of carbohydrates and sugars is linked to various health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. High sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, while a diet rich in refined carbs often contributes to weight gain and metabolic disorders. Junk foods, laden with unhealthy sugars and carbs, can trigger inflammation in the body, exacerbating chronic conditions and leading to further health complications. This inflammatory response not only affects physical health, but can also impact mental well-being. Therefore, it is essential to prioritize healthier food choices that nourish the body and reduce the risk of these illnesses. By making informed dietary decisions, individuals can significantly improve their health and overall quality of life. Pasture-raised eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, boasting low carbohydrate content while being rich in essential nutrients. They provide high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent addition to any diet. The healthy fats found in eggs play a crucial role in fat breakdown, supporting weight loss efforts by promoting satiety and reducing cravings. Additionally, the presence of choline in eggs aids in metabolism and brain health. For optimal health benefits, incorporating 1 to 2 pasture-raised eggs into your daily diet is recommended. This simple addition can enhance your nutritional intake, support weight management, and contribute to overall well-being, making pasture-raised eggs a smart choice for health-conscious individuals. Organic kale stands out as a top nutrient-dense food due to its impressive vitamin content, surpassing even well-known sources like oranges and milk. For instance, kale is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, providing essential nutrients that support immune function, skin health, and bone strength. Incorporating kale into daily meals is easy. It can be added to smoothies, salads, soups, or sautéed as a side dish. Additionally, kale's high fiber content promotes digestive health, while its lack of starches makes it an excellent choice for those seeking low-carb options. By including organic kale in your diet, you can enjoy a wealth of nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Choosing grass-fed meats offers numerous nutritional advantages over conventional options. Grass-fed meats are typically higher in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A and E, and antioxidants, contributing to better heart health and reduced inflammation. Unlike conventional meats, which may contain added sugars and unhealthy fats, grass-fed red meats are free from carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for low-carb diets. Additionally, these meats provide a rich source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle development and repair. Consuming adequate protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, especially for those engaged in regular physical activity. By opting for grass-fed meats, individuals can enjoy a healthier, more nutrient-dense protein source that supports their fitness and overall health goals. High-quality cheese is a delicious source of essential fat-soluble nutrients, including vitamins A, D, E, and K, which play vital roles in maintaining overall health. These nutrients are crucial for various bodily functions, including immune support and skin health. Additionally, cheese is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Proper calcium absorption is vital for preventing osteoporosis and maintaining bone density as we age. To reap the nutritional benefits of cheese, consider incorporating varieties such as cheddar, Gouda, and mozzarella into your diet. These cheeses not only provide a rich flavor, but also deliver a wealth of nutrients that contribute to a balanced and healthful eating plan. Pecan nuts offer numerous health benefits, making them a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. With a low net carb content and high fiber, pecans are an excellent choice for those looking to manage their carbohydrate intake while promoting digestive health. The fiber in pecans helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart snack for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to stabilize their energy throughout the day. To incorporate pecans into your meals, consider adding them to salads for a crunchy texture, blending them into smoothies for added nutrition, or using them in baking for a delicious twist. Their rich flavor and versatility make pecans a delightful and healthful choice in various dishes. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale are vital for a healthy diet due to their impressive health benefits. These vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support overall health and well-being. Cruciferous vegetables play a significant role in detoxifying the liver, helping to eliminate harmful substances and promote optimal liver function. Their high fiber content aids digestion and supports gut health. Additionally, these vegetables are nutrient-dense while maintaining a low carbohydrate content, making them ideal for low-carb diets. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower into your meals can enhance your nutrient intake while supporting weight management and overall health, making them a smart choice for anyone seeking a balanced diet. Consuming wild salmon offers numerous health benefits, primarily due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. These healthy fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, contributing to lower risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of wild salmon can also support cognitive function and improve mood. In contrast, farmed fish often contain lower levels of omega-3s and may be exposed to harmful chemicals and antibiotics, making them a less desirable choice. By opting for wild salmon, you can enjoy a nutrient-rich source of protein that promotes overall health while avoiding the potential drawbacks associated with farmed fish. Pure butter is a nutrient-dense food that offers several health benefits, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. It contains essential nutrients such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, which support various bodily functions, including immune health and bone strength. Additionally, butter plays a crucial role in hormone production, as it provides healthy fats necessary for synthesizing hormones that regulate metabolism and overall health. Interestingly, incorporating pure butter into your diet can aid in weight loss by promoting satiety and reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. Instead of using inflammatory oils, consider cooking with real butter to enhance flavor and nutrition in your meals while supporting your health and well-being. Sauerkraut is a fermented food that offers numerous health benefits, primarily due to its rich probiotic content. These beneficial bacteria promote gut health by enhancing digestion, improving nutrient absorption, and supporting a balanced microbiome. Regular consumption of probiotics can also boost the immune system and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal issues. Additionally, sauerkraut is an excellent source of vitamin C, which plays a vital role in immune function and skin health. The fermentation process also aids in digestion, making nutrients more accessible to the body. For optimal health benefits, it is recommended to consume sauerkraut several times a week, whether as a side dish, topping, or ingredient in various recipes, to enjoy its nutritional advantages consistently. Avocados and extra virgin olive oil are both nutrient-dense foods that offer numerous health benefits. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help lower bad cholesterol levels. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin E, and folate, contributing to overall well-being. Extra virgin olive oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its high content of antioxidants and healthy fats, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. To incorporate these foods into your diet, consider adding sliced avocado to salads, smoothies, or toast, and use extra virgin olive oil as a dressing for salads or a cooking oil for sautéing vegetables, enhancing both flavor and nutrition in your meals. Nutritional yeast is a valuable addition for dieters, offering numerous benefits that support weight loss and overall health. Rich in B vitamins, including B12, nutritional yeast helps replenish these essential nutrients that may be depleted during weight loss efforts. These vitamins play a crucial role in energy production and metabolism, helping the body convert food into fuel more efficiently. This can lead to increased energy levels, making it easier to maintain an active lifestyle while dieting. To reap the maximum benefits, incorporating nutritional yeast into your daily routine is recommended. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons can enhance meals with a cheesy flavor while providing a boost of nutrients. Sprinkle it on salads, popcorn, or pasta for a nutritious upgrade. Various herbs and spices offer remarkable health benefits, particularly for those focused on weight loss and overall wellness. Healing herbs such as ginger, cayenne pepper, and cinnamon can boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and enhance fat burning, making them excellent allies in weight management. Additionally, spices like turmeric and oregano are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Regular use of herbs and spices not only adds flavor to meals but also enhances their nutritional profile. Incorporating a variety of these ingredients into your cooking can promote better health and support weight loss goals. Aim to experiment with different herbs and spices daily to enjoy their diverse benefits, while keeping your meals exciting and flavorful. In summary, the video highlights several key healthy foods that can significantly enhance your diet and support weight loss. By replacing carbohydrates with nutrient-dense options such as leafy greens, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins, you can nourish your body while effectively managing your weight. Choosing high-quality food sources like grass-fed meats, organic vegetables, and wild-caught fish ensures that you receive optimal nutrients without unnecessary additives. Emphasizing a balanced diet that includes a variety of these foods not only aids in weight loss, but also promotes overall health and well-being. By making informed dietary choices, you can create a sustainable eating plan that supports your goals and enhances your quality of life. In conclusion, healthy eating plays a crucial role in achieving weight loss and maintaining overall well-being. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and making informed dietary choices, you can effectively support your weight management goals. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread awareness about the importance of healthy eating. Additionally, we invite you to explore our related content for further learning on nutrition, meal planning, and healthy recipes. Together, we can create a supportive community dedicated to making healthier choices and living our best lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.